This is the continuation of that last video. I'm Freddy. I gotta check the volume past half, so my grandma will freak out.
Round 1, fight!
I think Kenshi is not supposed to be my opponent, but he's really lame. I got this game for Christmas 2 days. It's freaking awesome. I did get a black Xbox 360 with a black controller. Yes, I am recording, Donovan. And all I'm using is my tablet, a wall, and a little Minecraft block that you got. Yes, I have continued. Hey, Ryan. What? You smell like poop. And cookies. Oh my god.
That's because I ate too. That's why I got a Band-Aid.
How come?
Well, I tripped and then I fell and then I cut some skin.
I'm only 10 years old.
Bleeding.
Awesome.
No, not awesome.
That's the whole point. It's called... I can't remember what it's called, but it's something with... Psych is something.
Suicide?
No! Psych!
Sorry.
Psych is something.
It's a prank?
No. I've actually tried to kill him with my brother. Kano's a baby. In this game, he's a baby.
He's a midget and a baby, and then you get a maybe. Get it? Maybe. How did you do that?
Or he used to be a baby, at least. Now he's like a freaking crazy... Yeah, shut up. What? What? Yeah, I just dodged your freaking attack. Loser.
Oh, no more Freddy.
Ah! Oh, right through the knee. Oh, the other leg. I'm dying. Oh, you suck.
Round 2.
Like how I just did it. Oh, and I'm like fine and stuff. Ah! I love Mortal Kombat. Like, I have Deception for the PS2. I have...
Bleeding.
Nubs! You had to do that. Yes, Donovan is my brother. He's my 7-year-old brother. This is rated M, and I'm only 10 years old, 17 plus, and I'm only 10. So I'm supposed to wait 7 more years. So when Donovan's 14, I can play this video game. That's how it's supposed to be, but my mom never cares. Freddy, wait. You see how many coins I have? Like 3,900 something. 3,946. Ownage.
Ownage. Yeah, that's right. Shut up.
I'm supposed to say that.
Little whiny baby.
Oh, no. You failed.
Silence. And you. Thanks, Pelican.
You owe me a soda.
That's not
That right, you owe me a Sprite. Pinch Coke, you owe me a Coke. Jigs at Palak, you owe me a soda. That's not right, you owe me a Sprite. Pinch Coke, you owe me a Coke. Holy crap. I can't believe I did that. You didn't do nothing. Yeah, do your little ball trick. Well, I beat the living crap out of
That's
you.
right. Shut up.
Finish him.
You little whiny baby.
Scratch some face. This is my favorite part.
Wins.
I thought his blood
Freddy
was
Krueger.
supposed to be black.
No, it's Kano. He's a human. His blood's black. Oh god, I have to kill a reptile after I kill Melina. If I kill Melina. If I kill Sector.
If you kill
Excuse me.
No.
For all them Doctor Who fans, I am a Doctor Who nut. I do have a 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. That's 10th. This 11th.
Round 1.
And I did modify it a little bit. It wasn't. It is a projector and stuff. What? Dental floss? This has nothing to do with dental hygiene.
I said dental floss.
Uppercut. Oh. Uppercut. Stop it. Camouflage. Oh! 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 You. Ahmed. Oh, Flemid. Or 8 Flemid. It wouldn't be the second time I've lost.
2. Fight.
Which it really is. Yeah. Huh? What? Oh, shoot.
Put them here. You put them up when you're done.
Okay. Murder your face. My brother likes that movie. Next, after that, after I beat this game, if I beat this game in ladder mode, I'm gonna play as noob and try and beat the game as noob. Dude, stop it!
Round 3.
Fight! Yes, the final round has begun. No! Dude, I'm getting my butt beat, Nubs.
Finish him.
Oh, and the blood changes depending on who the character is. Like this time it's black blood instead of red. Freaking awesome. 5 nubbies, wherever you're at. Oh crap, he's not even in the room. It's kind of embarrassing. Gotta fuck girl.
Yeah, it's actually part of Scorpion's,
That's kind of creepy. Freddy's intro is actually part of Scorpion's intro, but all they did was cut the "I will have vengeance" part out and the jumpy piece. I hate you, you turd. Dude, you are always like freaking energetic in the other video games. Like in Deception, you're like, oh, nah, you're real jumpy. Like that. And you did that a lot. You do it too much still. Yes. Ugh, she's trying to.
Round 2, fight!
How do you do that twice in a row? You can't get tired. I do get tired of this a lot. I hate Melina. That's why I'm trying to kill her. I'd rather... She's like the most challenging for me in the games. She's always been. And I have to do a whole nother round of her. If I even get this one done, which I probably won't. There we go. 1, 2. Finally!
Round 3.
Will. Oh, and I know most of Freddy's moves. Like that one. I'm gonna leave my Rose here. She could help me like tag in, tag out. I need a tag, bro. Dude, the side stays in your neck? That is awesome. Ew! I'm gonna make it!
Finish her!